Welcome. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create a Facebook page cover using Photopea. Okay, here is photopea.com. To start with, we can go for File, then navigate to New, or you can use this button here, New Project. So let me go for the New Project. That will take us to this interface. So what you can do here is we can see already made template, so to say. So here is Facebook page cover with the dimension 1640 by 664. You can do that manually. If you don't want to go click on this template, you can just go, do it manually. But once you click on the template, you can choose a color, a background color here. It doesn't matter, just for a start. Then we go for create. So here is our template. So what you can do to give it a color is by going for the layer here, the background layer, right click on that, then go for blending options, okay, and then go for the color overlay. After that, go for this color picker, click on that. We see different colors. Just choose a color, but this color or the colors here are kind of limited. So what I usually do, if I don't like any color here, is by going to Google. Okay, what I will do is to go to Google. So if you have any specific color in mind, what you can do, for example, teal background color image, or teal background image HD, that will take me here. Okay, I will go for images. You can see a lot of teal colors here. Okay, so let me go. So you can see that with the help of my Hover Zoom Plus, as you can see, Hover Zoom Plus here is an extension on Google Chrome. So I added that extension. It helps, give you a bigger picture of an image, as you can see. So let me go for this. Let me go for this. Okay, what I can do is to use my snipping tool to grab this color. To grab this image, I will go use my snipping tool. I will go click on that snipping tool, set the delay to 5 seconds, and then click on new. Then I will place my mouse on that color and wait for that snipping tool to activate. So as you can see, I will grab it and then go for File. No, I will go for Edit and then copy the background, and let's go back to Photopea. I will go for Edit and go for Paste. So right now, what I can do is to activate the transform controls here. But remember, before you start working on your cover page, you have to go for File, Save As, PSD. Okay, give it a name and save. What this does is that you can import this into Photopea and do some necessary changes later on. Okay, and keep on saving your work after each completion. I have not discovered the autosave here, but I will go for that, so you don't have to go keep on clicking on save. So what you have to do here is to make sure that the move tool is what activated. The auto select should be checked so that this helps move any item from one place to another. So here, what you can do to resize this is by going for transform controls, check it, and then scale it from this angle. Okay, and then from this angle. But there is one thing I do here. Instead of doing this, look at another way I can do this. I will hold down the shift key on my keyboard, then scale it from here, the half of the background. Okay, what I will do is to go duplicate this by going for the control key and the letter J on my keyboard. That will give me a duplicate. Have a look here under layers. You can see that we have layer 1 and layer 1 copy. So we have a duplicate already. So to get that duplicate over to this yellow side, so what we have to do is to hold down the shift key on our keyboard and take it from this angle, from the middle part, and drag it backward. But why keep on holding your shift key? Okay, and then go for confirm and uncheck the transform controls. I will take it back because I can see a space here. But if you don't want this space, there is another way to do that. Okay, let me go and delete it. What I can do now is to go flip this horizontally, this particular image. I will go for edit, transform, and flip horizontally. Okay, you can see that line is over here. I will take it. Then now I will go for transform controls once more. Go for control key and letter J to duplicate this. Then I will hold down the shift key on my keyboard and take it from this angle and drag it backward. And then go for confirm and then uncheck. All good. Okay, but they are not together yet, because if I click on this part, I can move it away. Okay, let me go for edit and undo. So to combine both of them, what we have to do is you can see that the layer 1 copy is highlighted. Hold down the shift key on your keyboard to select both of them, the layer 1 copy and layer 1. And then after that, release your finger and go for layer and scroll down to merge layers. We are good to go. So 2 of them are together right now. Okay, I will go for undo. Everything's fine. So have a look. Have a look. This is a friend, my classmate and a friend of mine. She has a Facebook page, as you can see. But have a look at the page. You can see that part of her face is missing. A part of her face is missing, as you can see. Okay, that means I think something went wrong with the dimension. Okay, so we have to fix this. So whenever you are creating a Facebook page cover, make sure that you added the right dimension. Okay, so here, let's go fix this. You can only see this with my extension Hover Zoom Plus. If I hover over the picture, you can see the picture in full. Okay, so but in our own case, let's go recreate this cover. I will use my snipping tool and the Hover Zoom Plus to get hold of this picture. First, I will have to go activate my snipping tool and make sure that the delay is set at 5 seconds. Okay, then I will go for new and then place my cursor on the image and wait for the activation of that snipping tool. All good. I will go grab it. All good. Okay, what I can do now is to go for edit and copy this image. Then let's go back to Photopea. Here I will go for edit and paste. So here we go. This is what we have, as you can see. Okay, I can go down a bit to make sure that everything is visible. So this is what we have. Okay, let me see if I can take it down a bit. So right now, let me go for the page name. I will go for the T, that means the type tool. Whenever you want to type anything, you just go click on that and click on anywhere. So let me go for the name. It's album. You can see how big the font is. Size is 243. So make sure anytime you want to work on a layer, make sure that the move tool is clicked to activate it. Okay, now I can move any item. So I will have to double click on the text to highlight it and then go change the size manually, or I can just use the drop down and then decrease it in size. Okay, and equally you can go change the font here. Click on that drop down, you will see a lot of fonts. These are my favorites. Let me uncheck that. Here are the fonts. Anyone you prefer, you can just click on that star to activate, to highlight the star, and that would become your favorite or one of your favorites. You can equally load your favorite fonts from anywhere into Photopea. Okay, I have a video on how to do that on my channel, on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I have already made a selection and this is what I want to use. I will take it. You see, I'm able to move this because of the move tool is activated, it's clicked. So I will take it to this side. Okay, and then let's go change the color of this font. To do that, let's go for the layer. As you can see, if you want to change the name of any layer, just double click on that layer and change the name. Okay, I will go for right click on that urban blocks, then go for blending options. That will take me to layer style. Okay, I will go for color overlay and then go click on this color picker. Here is our color picker. I will go for any color. Okay, we have a lot. Make your choice. We have a lot, but I think I can. Let me go with this. Okay, and that is okay. So for a drop shadow, okay, you can increase the distance here, but let me leave it at 14. You can increase the opacity to 400, and let me decrease the distance to 12. So one more thing you can do is to give it a stroke color by clicking on that stroke. You can change the stroke color from white to any color of your choice. Okay, so but let's go for a white color. You can increase the stroke size. Okay, you can type it manually as well or decrease it. So let's go back to 3. And then, okay. So that is it. So one more thing here. You can write anything of your choice. Okay, let me give you a bonus tip. Okay, if you want to remove the background of this picture, there is one thing you can do. Just go for remove.bg. Then I will have to go save this picture, file, save as, and then that will take me to my file explorer. Let me have it saved. You can see I have it saved already. I will cancel that. Then I will go to remove.bg and click on upload image, and that will take me to where I have that image saved. Here is it. I will go for open, and let's see. Removed. Then we have to go for download, and that will take you to your file explorer again. Save it, and that is saved. Okay, so let's go back to Photopea. Here, let's go for file. If you want to import any image into Photopea, just go for file, open and place. That will take you to where you have that saved. Okay, there you go. So here is how it looks like. You can see that the background has been removed. Beautiful. Okay, you can scale it to increase it. And one more thing I can do is to flip this horizontally so that we have like two people sitting, but same person. Okay, I will go for, make sure that the layer is selected as you can see here. I will go for edit and scroll down to transform, and then navigate to flip horizontally. Have a look. Beautiful. Is that not beautiful? Okay, so let me take this up one more time. Okay, so this is the dimension. Then add anything you want to add to the cover. Then after completing your cover, go for file, then go for export as PNG. Give it a name. Then leave every other thing as it is, and then go for save. Save it. So right now, let's go and upload it. I will go for this page and click on edit cover photo, then upload photo. Let me go look for that. Here is it. Upload. And we are good to go. As you can see, save. So have a look at this and this. You can see that here a part of her face is not visible, as you can see, but have a look at this. Everything is visible. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.